Driver costs are rising. We knew this to be true, and now AAA confirms it. The total cost of owning a new vehicle is rising. We're talking insurance, fuel, interest rates, maintenance in general. $12,297 per year, which breaks down to $1,024 every month. And these are the real expenses incurred by the drivers that are actually facilitating the rides that generate the revenue for these companies. So I think it's clear we need to deduct these expenses from the passenger payments before we figure out what the take rate is. If we're going to talk about a 70-30 split, yes, you can deduct your expenses, but drivers need to be able to deduct our expenses. We're the actual provider of the service that's being sold. So let me ask you, as a driver, what's your biggest expense? And do you think it's fair that they only deduct their expenses and not yours before figuring out what the split is? Let me know in the comments.